Hello, I am Frédérique Crestin-Billet, Madame Sajou, the owner and founder of Maison Sajou. So today I will introduce you the Sajou Gallery. Since Sajou exists, nearly 20 years now, in next May it will be 20 years, a lot of our customers ask us for to be able to buy a ready-made embroidery. So the one I created for our kids or things like this, and also the prototypes we make when we make a review in the blog, for example. So we decided to open what we will call the gallery, so a little bit like a gallery of art. We decided to open it for the 20th anniversary. So in fact, we always we waited a lot to open the gallery because, you know, to have ready-made embroidery, it's a lot of time, a lot of logistic, it's complicated. But we decided that the 20th anniversary is a good occasion to open the gallery. So in the gallery, you will find ready-made embroidery. So for example, this cushion with Josephine roses, so completely ready-made, with a nice envelope, which is especially made by our sewer at Maison Sajou, so the bespoke envelope. And each embroidery has its own and unique number. So for example, this cushion is number 5. So this cushion will come in the envelope with the certificate, authentication certificate, which I will personally sign. And you can see that on the certificate there is number 5, the same number as the number 5 for this cushion. So you will find a lot of cushion, which all of them have their envelope, especially made. So you have different fabrics regarding, you know, the embroideries they are in. And you also will have, of course, sometimes, because the contents of the gallery will change, you know, will change in the time. And when they will be available, you also will have, for example, our big museum and heritage embroidery. So for example, this one is the one I created for the 10th anniversary of Maison Sajou. So I don't know who of you will buy it, but this is the embroidery number 1, which will inaugurate the gallery, excuse me. And so those big embroideries, they also come in a special envelope, especially made for the embroidery. So of course, with the Sajou fabrics. And you also will have more little things, you know, as little embroidered round boxes. So for example, this one is an Indian fabric. You also will have the little case, for example, with our Eiffel Tower in several colors, so presented in nice little box. And in the gallery, sometimes you will also have, for example, a tea towel, embroidered tea towel, which are made with the letters coming from Sajou album. And for example, this one is one I made to present ideas to embroider our tea towel in our blog. So you will also have, for example, tea towels with little crowns like this, you know. For example, this red tea towel is with a little crown. So in fact, the items in the gallery will often change, you know. As soon as one will be sold, it will not necessarily be replaced by the same one. So you have pieces which will be absolutely unique. So I invite you to come and visit the gallery, and even if you don't buy anything, I hope you will have pleasure to have under your eyes all the ready-made kits I created since nearly 20 years. Thank you for listening to me. And just after my little speech, you will have some more details about the embroidery that will be in the gallery. And you also will have close-up on different details of the items which are available in the gallery.